we must never forget the courage and sacrifice made by our men and women in uniform. Their blood, sweat, and tears secure our freedom as Americans. Every day, they protect and defend the Constitution of the United States of America. As Americans, we show our appreciation to the armed forces through acts of patriotism. America's Armed Forces River Parade, held each year on the third Saturday of May, National Armed Forces Day. Join us for this beautiful expression of patriotism and gratitude to those who served. Please show your patriotism by attending this annual event and through parade sponsorships.